Hello, my name is Jonathan Rumley. I'm a postdoc in Oliver Hobart's lab at Columbia University. Today I'll walk you through the installation of TargetOrtho2 on macOS systems, as well as how to use TargetOrtho2. Before I do anything else, I will install um, Xcode command line tools using this command here. This will take several minutes. Okay, while it's doing that, uh, I will I'll give some background on TargetOrtho2. Um, so TargetOrtho2 is a program that predicts transcription factor target genes using a phylogenetic footprinting-based method. It was developed by Lori Glenn-Winkle, a former PhD student in Professor Hobart's lab. It was originally published in the article In Silico Analysis of the Transcriptional Regulatory Logic of Neuronal Identity Specification Throughout the C. elegans Nervous System by Glenn Winkle et al. 2021. A link to this article is provided in the description below this video. TargetOrtho2 takes as input position-specific scoring matrices, or PSSMs, in MEME format, which I will show an example of here. Let me share my screen again. As you can see here. Now, we provide 3 example PSSMs in the TargetOrtho2 download, and many others can be found in motif databases from the Meme Suite download site. Also, PSSMs in other formats can be converted to meme format. TargetOrtho2 uses the Meme Suite program, FEMO, to search the genomes of 8 nematode species for sites that match the input motif. TargetOrtho2 then uses genome annotation data to assign these sites to the upstream regions, introns, exons, and downstream regions of protein coding genes in each of these genomes. TargetOrtho2 then predicts transcription factor target genes in the reference genome by default C. elegans using a Gaussian process classifier from the Python module scikit-learn. The Gaussian process classifier compares the motif features for each of the genes in the reference genome that has predicted binding sites to motif features in experimentally confirmed targets and non-targets of 3 transcription factors. The most important feature is the alignment independent conservation of predicted sites in upstream regions and introns. TargetOrtho2 was originally provided as a Galaxy web tool, but this version is no longer available. Because of this, I have written a protocol for the local installation and use of TargetOrtho2, which is now published in the journal Star Protocols. This protocol describes the installation of TargetOrtho2 on macOS and Linux systems, as well as Windows systems via Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. Also, since the original version of TargetOrtho2 was written in Python 2 code, which is now deprecated, I have converted the code to Python 3, which allows the use of the latest versions of Python modules. The protocol provides instructions for installing this new version of TargetOrtho2. Additionally, the protocol provides instructions for updating the genomes in and adding new genomes to TargetOrtho2. In this video, I will walk you through the local installation of TargetOrtho2 on macOS systems, as well as how to use TargetOrtho2 to predict transcription factor target sites and target genes. Okay. So the installation of Xcode command line tools is finished. So now I will continue with the rest of the installation. Share my screen again. Okay, so the next step is to install Mac ports, which is required for installing Meme Suite and bed tools. So with that, we'll go to the Meme Suite download site. See here. I will download the version for macOS Sequoia, which is the operating system I have. And I will go through the installation wizard. Okay. The installation is complete. Let's see. Next, I will go to the Meme Suite download site. Well, uh, I let's go to the Meme Suite download site. This is actually the installation site. Uh, okay, so I will copy and paste this command into the terminal. May need to open a new terminal window. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, I will continue. Now, while that's installing, I will install Python 3. Now that I've installed Python 3, I will install the Python modules scikit-learn and pandas. I'll open a new terminal window. So scikit-learn, hit command is not found. Try pitch 3. Yes, that works. Okay, so I will run this update command. Okay, that's successfully installed. Let's see. Next, I will install pandas. Again, I'll use pip 3. Okay, looks like both scikit-learn and pandas are successfully installed. Looks like the meme suite is also installed. So we go back to the meme suite installation site. Now I will copy and paste this line to the file .profile, which will be in the home directory. Like it doesn't have anything in it right now. So I saved it, Control O, and then Control X to exit. Let's see. So check that it's saved. More .profile. Yes, and this is it in here. Uh, to make sure that the binary file themo is executable, I will type in the command themo here. Okay, good. Looks like it is executable. This program is used by TargetOrtho2 to identify transcription factor target sites throughout the genomes of the nematodes used in the analysis. So next, next I'll install BedOps. Here's the BedOps site. So I will download the macOS installer. Here, like, not getting permission to open it. Let me go to settings, security. Oh, yes. Select open anyway. Okay. Follow the installation instructions here. So the installation was successful. Let me confirm that the binary files are in the directory slash user slash local slash bin. Type in cd slash user slash local slash bin. Type ls. Verify. Yes. The one that is important for TargetOrtho2 is closest features, and that's there, so that's good. So we return to the home directory. Next, I will install bed tools. So for that, I will use this command here. Okay. Uh, should be installed. Looks like it is installed. It's good. Okay. Okay. So now I've completed the installation of the suite of programs necessary to run TargetOrtho2. Now I will install TargetOrtho2 itself. So I will go to the GitHub page that has the Python 3 version TargetOrtho2. And I will click on the green code button and download the zip file. And here, automatically decompress the file. So I will move this file to the desktop. When you install TargetOrtho2, you can put the file TargetOrtho2 Python 3-main wherever you like it, but I'll put it in the desktop for now. Okay. So TargetOrtho2, the TargetOrtho2 download comes with three options. You can use the TargetOrtho2 on Python 3 GitHub option, which has the original versions of the 8 genomes of the 8 nematode species in the version made by Laurie Glinwinkle in Glinwinkle et al. 2021. The folder TargetOrtho2 WBPS 19 has a version with the WBPS 19 versions of the 8 species genomes, and the folder TargetOrtho2 WBPS 19 plus CTROP has the WBPS 19 versions of the 8 original genomes, plus a new annotated genome of C. tropicalis, which was produced by Tokera et al. 2024. Uh, for this video, I will use the TargetOrtho2 WBPS 19 plus C trop version. So open the file. I need to decompress each of these uncompressed files. We need to do this in the terminal. Okay. Okay, I'm having some trouble uh, unzipping the files. I'm going to try to download the program, the Unarchiver, which usually is more successful. Um, I will stop sharing my screen for now to protect my information. the unarchiver is installed, so I will share the screen again. Well, unfortunately, looks like the zip files in the WBPS 19 version of TargetOrtho2 aren't opening properly, so I will simply use the original version of of the genomes of TargetOrtho2 for the remainder of this video. For completing the setup of this version of TargetOrtho2, I will go into the directory where its files are located. That's TargetOrtho2, Python 3, GitHub. These are the files and directories in this directory. And I will run the program setup.command, entering the command Python 3 setup.command. This will download genome files into the genomes directory and decompress the files. Okay, that is now complete. So now I will run TargetOrtho2 using the example, one of the example of MEME-format motifs that is provided with the download. So I'll enter the command Python 3 TargetOrtho2.py -f to indicate a file. So this file is located in the directory data, and within that, the directory input motif examples. The file is called COE motif PSSM meme4.txt. I will include a p-value threshold of 0.0001. This is also the default threshold. I'm giving it as an example. And I'll hit enter. And this allows the program to run. And if you see this output here, that means FEMO is running. Now let me show you how to use TargetOrtho2, well, some of the programs included with TargetOrtho2 to convert PSSMs in uh, other formats to the meme format. Um, so you can find, well, you can find several meme format PSSMs from the Meme Suite downloads website. So let me take you there. Downloads, you can download them from the motif databases. Uh, Here are several projects with transcription factor motifs. Look, so this is SysBP 2.0. Let's look at C. elegans. We sort them alphabetically for Cineravitis elegans. I'll open it with text edit. And size. Okay. So this is what the top of the file looks like. And as you can see, there's a long list of PSSMs. Now, if you want to select a specific PSSM, you can use the find function. Let's say we want to look for the PSSM for POP1. Now, this is find function. We found POP1. Okay. So you can open a new text file, say formatted as plain text. You can copy and paste the motif data into the new file. And copy over the top part of the original meme file. And save it and name it something like pop1 meme motif. And you can say it as a .txt file. And so now that's what that looks like. So you can also find find motif matrices in other formats. Like here's a count matrix. Now, TargetOrtho2 will not accept this type of matrix, so it needs to be converted to a meme format. So for a count matrix, you can use the program matrix to meme, which is provided in the meme suite. Okay. Looks like uh, the TargetOrtho run is finished. So we go to the folder where this motif file is found. Let's see. Okay. This is the last one in the list there. Now I will run matrix to mean, which should be executable since it's part of the mean suite. File is TG. Okay. So put in the input file name. Okay, it's there. And give the file a new name. Let's see. 42. Okay. So the command is actually not found. So it seems like it's not actually executable. So what I'll do is that this file should be in the under the home directory in the mean directory. So I will home directory, I've got that in a space. Let's see, it's not there. Let's see, what's that? Oh, sorry. Should be an opt local bin. Slash opt slash local slash bin. Okay. Linux should be in libexec. Oh, that was the problem. Because this is mean 5.55. Okay. I think in, yeah, the path listed as 5.57. Okay. Okay. So, yes. Okay. So the file is here. So then let me go back to the home directory and edit the .profile file. Okay. So then if I change that to 5.5, then it should work. So Control O to save, Control X to exit. Go to the desktop and target ortho. Then actually, no, that was in the documents directory. Okay. Going to example PSSMs for videos. Okay, here it is. So let me just go back to that command that I attempted before. Okay, here it is. Still not found. Okay, so then I might need to copy matrix to mean to slash user slash local slash bin. So I'll do that now. Okay. Let's see. make that mistake. So should be in libexec. Yeah, and so yeah, programs here. So copy. So I'll need to use sudo. Let's see. Let's see. Sudo cp matrix to mean, copy it to /user/local/bin. Okay. Sure that it's here. Okay, so it should be executable now. We go back to the documents directory. Let's see. Example PSSMs for videos. And let me try that matrix to mean command again. Okay. Okay. It's like it should have worked now. Once again. Yes. Okay. So now we have this new meme format motif in the documents folder. Yeah, so it looks like this. Okay. Now this can be used in TargetOrtho as well. And so let me give one more example. Might have sysbp formatted PSSMs, such as this one here. Maybe a little bigger. So for this, you can use the execute copy terminal.py program that is included in the TargetOrtho2 download to convert it to the MEME-format PSSM. You need to put it in its own directory first. And execute copy terminal.py can convert a full directory of sysbp formatted PSSMs to meme format. So let me demonstrate that now. So first, let me put this file into a directory by itself. Let's see. Make a new folder. Let's see. Call it the sysbp format PSSMs. Move this into there. And create a new folder called meme format PSSMs. Okay. And I'll run execute copy terminal.py. Let me copy it as a command into the terminal here. So let me add in the input folder name, which is sys MEME-format PSSMs, and then the output folder. MEME-format PSSMs. Oh, sorry. I did not run execute copy terminal.py from its location. So let me add its location in the TargetOrtho2 directory. So adding it to the beginning of execute copy terminal.py. And so right now we're in the example PSSMs for videos directory, which is within the desktop directory, or sorry, which is in the documents directory, which is within the home directory. So I will go 2 directories up, then desktop, desktop, TargetOrtho2, Python 3 main, TargetOrtho2, Python 3 GitHub. Okay. So now it should work. Okay. So I entered that command. And here, okay. Yeah. So now we started with this sysbp formatted PSSM. The output is this MEME-format PSSM. Okay. So now let's look back at the TargetOrtho2 output. So the output for TargetOrtho2 is found in the folder from which TargetOrtho2 was run, or the TargetOrtho.py script was run. So this is the folder for the job that I ran a little while ago. And for looking at motif features, or for looking at specific binding motifs, we go to the motif match data per species folder. So I'll look at C. elegans. And this can be opened in any spreadsheet program. Right now I'm in numbers. I'll actually open it in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Okay. And here is a list of all of the COE sites that it found with a FEMO p-value less than 0.0001. So say I want to look for a specific gene, can use the find function, search for ZIG1. And see here, there were 2 sites, one upstream, one intron. So you can search for any gene in the C. elegans genome, and you can find if TargetOrtho2 identified sites in this file. Let me look at one of the other species here. Let's look at C. Briggs C. Yeah. Open in numbers. Let me open it in Excel. Let's see if it found any in the C. Briggs Z version of ZIG1. Yes. Again, found it actually found three sites in the C-Briggs ZZig one, two in the upstream and one in the intro. So now, in most cases, you can use a spreadsheet program to open these files. If you set your p-value threshold of high, meaning that the analysis is not very stringent, you can end up with very large uh, motif files, and they might not be able to be fully opened by a spreadsheet file. And in order to sort these files and or to filter these files, you can use the program TargetOrtho motif match search terminal.r, which we have provided in the download. Now to run this, you will need R. Second. Let me go to the R website, the R project website, and download uh, R for macOS. Okay, I'll install it now. Okay, R should be installed now. Let's see. Make sure that our script is running. Okay, looks like it's installed successfully. So next, I will now I will run the program. Let's see. First, let me navigate to the directory that has the motif files. Let's see. So cd uh, desktop TargetOrtho2 Python 3-main TargetOrtho2. Let's see. Python 3 GitHub. Let's see. And the job file or job folder, and then motif match data per species. Okay. So I'll run our script. Now, uh, the our script is in the parent directory to this one, so I'll in two dots slash target ortho. Sorry, one more level up. Target ortho uh, motif match motif search terminal dot r. Let's see. The input file is for Cinereptitis elegans. Oh, sorry. It starts with the job ID. Okay. And let's see. And next, the next argument is the gene that I want to search for. So let's say ZIG1. It's like we're missing the R package reader. So let me find out how to download that. Let's see. Install that. While that's being installed, let me go ahead and share with you uh, how to look at the results for uh, the target gene predictions. So those will be found in the job ID TargetOrtho2 ranked gene summary.csv file. Yep. It can also be opened in spreadsheet programs. Let me open it in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Uh, so this shows a list of all the genes predicted to be targets by TargetOrtho2 using the settings that we had at the beginning. Let's see, let me find Zig1. Let's see. Uh, Here, Zig1 is predicted to be a target. So the genes are ranked by class probability or classifier label probability. Values from 0 to 1 are predicted to be true targets. If the value of classifier label probability is 0 to -1, it's predicted to not be a true target. It uses the motif features compared to the targets, the experimentally verified targets and non-targets of 3 transcription factors to make this prediction. The most important feature is the conservation. Here we see conservation in the upstream regions and conservation in introns. And so as this shows here, the COE sites are conserved in the upstream regions for seven of the nematodes that were analyzed, and in introns for 6 of the nematodes that were analyzed. So now let me check to see if the R program will run now. Okay. Looks like I need to install another package janitor. Okay, so let me type in install packages janitor. Okay, let's see if it works now. Okay. Looks like it should have worked. Okay, so then let's see, it should be in the motif match wait for species. Oh yes, here we go. So the resulting file should have the ending filtered, and this shows that it has the 2 entries for Zig1. You can also open it in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Well, that brings me to the end of the video today. Thank you for joining me. Now, in addition to the installation and use that I've walked through with you today, uh, the published protocol uh, at Star Protocols includes instructions on how to update and add new genomes to TargetOrtho2, but I will not discuss that in this video. Thank you for following with me in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please send them to me at jdr2203@columbia.edu. Thank you and have a good day.